Okay, let's take a look at another Zippo today. Now this is kind of a retro Zippo. Well, let's look at it. It came in the normal Zippo black box. It's a genuine Zippo made in the USA, and it is called Cheech and Chong Joint Venture. It's got the ridiculous California warning on there. And there's the address, Zippo Manufacturing in Bradford, PA. The insert's the normal Zippo made in USA insert. Here is the Cheech and Chong Zippo, the joint venture. You can see the joint right there. Cheech and Chong were two guys from the 70s, crazy pot smoking hippies. And this was made in L of 18. Really good stampings on this. It's kind of a matte red finish, and it's got a steel insert. Of course, it lights up nice. And Zippo has been coming out with quite a few of the, what I like to call the new morality Zippos, since marijuana is being legalized almost everywhere. That's the Cheech and Chong Joint Venture Zippo. Let's do a drop test on these guys. Okay, drop test successful. It's more of a novelty, not a real collectible Zippo, but it's a good one for my collection. And we can give that a little cowbell. Knuckle bump.